1000% you should niche down. And the person that told you not to is giving you fucking terrible advice. Let me explain something to you. As a fitness coach, if you are a guy and you help men lose weight, there is so much to learn just in that space. Then for you to just hop over and start to help women, start to help different areas of that fitness, you just open yourself a lot of kind of worms. And I personally made this mistake in my first business, second business, third business, where because naturally I feel like I know a lot, I just want to kind of help everyone. But the problem with that is you never end up nailing the first model properly, which means you have all these like 5 or 6 unfinished projects, and for somehow mentally, it's like mental masturbation. It feels somehow good and you feel like you're busy, but really, really not making any progress. So think about this, right? If you're a guy and you help guys lose weight, are you telling me there's not enough to learn in that space alone, where you have to hop over and start helping women lose weight? Like, you're not a woman. And equally, if a woman is helping guys lose weight, she's not a guy. So how do you even know the nuanced details of what works and what doesn't work? You wouldn't know. And if people are paying you for results and they look at you as an expert, well, they expect you to know nuanced details. I don't know if you guys remember or not, but I think it was 2021. Anyway, years ago, I used to host masterminds in Manchester. And obviously I was testing things out. So I invited I think I've done it 3 or 4 times, but I invited 12 different entrepreneurs from 12 different backgrounds. Now, even though I understood the fundamentals of business and I understood how to help someone, I didn't know the nuanced details of half of the businesses because I had never ran them myself. So it would be impossible for me to know. Yes, I would be able to help them on the economics, maybe the foundationals when it comes to like teams, but when it comes to like certain things about the business, I just wouldn't know. I didn't have context. And when you run a business, it's like an ecosystem. Everything connects with everything. So I'm saying all this to say that the reason I stopped doing them back then is because I really had to have a think about that if I'm going to do this properly, I need to nail down a niche, what I understand, what I enjoy teaching, what I can make money from. And even like right now, the niche I picked is fitness. Do you know like how much I didn't know and what I had to learn? Like, and I guarantee you, even for the next 10, 20 years, if I continue doing this, I will, like, there will still be more to learn. And I'm saying this to say that don't get caught up in a master plan of, oh, well, I want to have 4 or 5 unfinished projects open. No, don't do that. So, look, do what you want. I'm just saying it from someone who has had many businesses, and I'm telling you that the idea that you want to do help like 3, 4 different types of people, it's ludicrous. Just become an OG in your space. Like, that's all you need to do. And look, once you've mastered it, once you've got like, I don't know, 50 clients, right? And you're making a decent income. At that point, if you really want to like go and hop over and see what's going on the other side, yeah, fine, go and do it. But at the start, it's just going to serve you as a distraction. So look, if you are a fitness coach and you want to master your space and you need help with your business, by all means, you can come and see me here in Manchester at my office, where we'll sit down face to face and I'll see exactly what the constraints are in your business, and together we will sit down and put a plan together to help you succeed.